So guys, what you want to do is navigate to Google Drawings, and there's actually no home section. So if you enter, for example, Google Drawings on Google search and you're logged in with your Google account, you will be redirected to that new document. So what if you, for example, have already a document or a diagram like this, and you would like to start a new one, a blank diagram like this here with that blank background? You will need to click into File in the top left, hover your mouse over New and select Drawing. Or you open, for example, a drawing from your device, saved on your device, for instance, in the given file format. So guys, that's it. So if I click into this here, there will be this new drawing opened in a new tab here on Google Drawings. And if you click into the Google Drawings icon in the top left, as said in the beginning of this video, you won't be redirected to the home section. There is none on Google Drawings. Instead, you will be redirected to Google Drive. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.